everyone. My name is Lily Bo, and I'm the media officer. And here we are with
Vivian Tran, the president.
Welcome to our 2025 Fall Open House as we get ready to introduce our officers and directors of ACM.
Let's go ahead and meet our officers of ACM. It's Vivian Tran, yeah? It's your ACM president, yeah? Cry.
Hi, I'm Eric Lead, and I'm the Vice President of ACM.
I'm Brooke Lane, and I'm the ACM Secretary.
Hi, I'm James Haddock. I'm the Social Officer for ACM. Meet me.
My name is Joshua Silva, and I'm the Projects Officer for ACM.
I'm Lily Vo, and I'm the Media Officer. Rah!
I'm Miguel Oseguera, and I'm your Tech Officer!
My name is Reese Sylvester, and I'm the ACMW Director this year.
My name is Judith Infante, and I'm the Coding and Color Director.
I'm Jonathan DeConing, and I'm ICPC Director.
Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm the Writing Hacks Director.
Hi, my name's Trey Ramirez, and I'm the co-director for Rowdy Hacks.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Paul, and I am the co-director for Quorum this year.
Hi, I'm Samantha Vivanco, and I am the Rowdy CyberCon Director.